So here's another update. So as I begin adding and sound deadening, I'm using a cheap material at the moment because I forgot to buy one of the roller, and so I'm using Lyco insulate sound deadening from Amazon. It was only $22, but it was decent, and so I'm going to be covering up this area. Don't mind the shoes. On the back side over here as well, and that's where I'll be adding my sound deadening. So in the next video I'll show you how much further I got into in a short amount of time, because I don't have enough time right now, or I'm running out of time. So I'll catch you guys in the next video.